All right, so when you're cutting sheetrock on both sides of sheetrock, so you got paper on this side, you got paper on this side right here, and this is all the, I think it's gypsum. In essence, all you got to do is just score with the blade, just the top layer of paper, and that's how you cut sheetrock. So okay, so you got your drywall T-square. Alright, you got our lines marked up. This is just a scrap piece that I'm just showing you how I cut. Alright, pencil. You know, some people cut it along the edge like this, which makes a lot of sense. But sometimes I like to use a mark, you know. But let's say some people just do it this way. You just score the top side, just like that. And you take the sheetrock, and it's real simple. So as you can see how I scored just the top part of it, right? Real simple, and then it just bends. You see? So now you see, if you can see closely, see it's like a layer. That layer right there, the top layer, that's what my razor blade is scored. So it's just a little bit, I cut maybe like 1/8 of an inch all the way through the sheetrock. So then after you do that, you come to the back side of it, use your blade, and just cut. Let's say a good way to, so you can see it well. Just cut up, and just cut down. Just like that, just cut the back side of it. And you cut the sheetrock, real easy. That's how you use a drywall saw. Cutting sheetrock is really simple. Doesn't take a whole bunch of special tools, and relatively easy. So I'm gonna put a metal bead. It's 94 inches from the top to the bottom, and you got to get your universal snips. So you can see the line is right there. Got a line right here too, and then you just cut it. Real simple. Putting the metal bead in, push it to the top, and push it in, and you find your screw. I like using my 1 5/8 screw, and just like when you're doing a sheetrock, you make it a little indent, and what I do is I just try to like alternate it. So one side, the other side, just to get it started, you know. Alright, and the reason you put these beads on is to make your corners nice and strong, because corners tend to get hit a lot. So you want to make sure you put your bead in, your corner bead. I like the metal beads. When I'm putting drywall in the bathroom or where it's water, I use the plastic ones or the vinyl ones. And yeah, that's pretty much how you put a corner bead.